Hey friends, Debbie here. Before we jump in, a quick note. This lesson is for education only. Always review AI results and use your own judgment. For today's video, I'm using ChatGPT, HeyGen, and Kling. You'll find the links in the description. If this helps, please like, subscribe, share, and save it for later. Be sure to grab the free AI Puppy Playbook prompt pack by using the link in the description below so you can follow along. Ready? Let's train your AI puppy. What if your AI could help you create, not just answer questions? Today, I'll show you how to train your AI puppy for creative work. Whether that's writing, designing, planning, or generating ideas that actually feel like you. Maybe you want help writing a blog post, outlining a video, planning a course, or even naming your next project. Your AI puppy can sit beside you as a creative buddy for all of that. Think of this lesson like a little creative studio. You bring your ideas, your AI puppy brings the tools, and together you build something that sounds and feels like you. AI doesn't create from emotion, it creates from guidance. The more personality you give your prompt, the more personality you'll see in its results. Think of it like saying, draw a sunrise over a lake instead of just draw something. Here's a simple switch. Instead of saying, write me something about gratitude, you might say, write a short, warm message about gratitude that I can share with my email list in a friendly voice for people over 60. Or instead of typing, help with Instagram, try, give me 3 Instagram caption ideas that are encouraging, playful, and written for women over 60 who are learning to use AI for the first time. Notice how those tiny details give your AI puppy a clear picture to work with. That is where the magic starts. Here's my favorite creative prompt formula. Action plus style plus emotion plus outcome. Ask your AI to do something in a specific style, with a mood for a purpose. For example, write a cozy bedtime story in a gentle, hopeful tone for tired creators. Here is how that sounds in real life. Action. Write a YouTube script. Style. Conversational and simple. Emotion. Calm and encouraging. Outcome. Help people over 60 feel less afraid of using AI. You can also say, write 5 email subject lines in a playful, curious tone that invite my readers to try my new AI Puppy Playbook lesson. You gave it the action, the style, the emotion, and the outcome all in one. If you are ever stuck, you can literally type, use this formula, action, style, emotion, outcome, and let your AI puppy help you fill in the blanks. Don't be afraid to play. Ask your AI puppy to sketch ideas, remix your words, or imagine wild concepts. Creativity grows through curiosity, and AI loves curiosity. You might say, take this paragraph I wrote and remix it into 3 shorter versions for social media, 1 calm, 1 bold, and 1 funny. That is play and practice at the same time. Or, imagine I am a character in a story who discovers AI for the first time. Describe that scene in a warm, cinematic way. This kind of playful prompt wakes up your creative brain. You can even ask, turn my to-do list into a simple, encouraging pep talk I can read in the morning. Your AI puppy does the heavy lifting. You bring the curiosity. Want your AI's writing to sound like you? Feed it samples of your past work, a blog post, a caption, or a product description. Then ask it to learn your tone. You're teaching it how to speak your language. Next, try, using that same tone, write a new Instagram caption that invites people over 60 to try AI in a friendly, non-technical way. Now you are connecting your old work to new ideas. You can also remind it, from now on in this chat, keep using this warm, honest, slightly playful tone unless I tell you otherwise. It is like telling your AI puppy which voice to wear. Think of AI as your creative partner, not your assistant. Instead of saying, do this, try, let's explore this idea together. You'll be amazed how that small shift brings more thoughtful results. Here is a partner-style prompt. Let's plan a new video together. I will share my rough idea, and you ask me questions to help shape it into a clear outline. Now your AI puppy is thinking with you, not just for you. Or you might say, I am torn between 2 course ideas. Help me compare them. Ask me 5 questions about my energy, my time, and my audience. Then recommend which one to start with. That sounds like a partner, not a boss. You can even type, "If you need more information, ask me. Do not guess." That gives your AI puppy permission to slow down and collaborate. Here are 3 fun creative warm-ups for you and your AI puppy. 1. Ask for 10 ways to explain your favorite topic as a story. 2. Have it brainstorm 5 headlines in your tone. 3. Or ask it to describe your morning coffee like a movie trailer. Simple prompts, big breakthroughs. You could say, "Tell the story of how I first tried AI," as if it were a little short scene from a movie, with me as the main character learning to trust my AI puppy. For headlines, try, "Write 5 email subject lines in my voice that invite people to grab my free AI puppy prompt pack." Make them short, friendly, and a little curious. And for that coffee movie trailer, you might say, "Describe my morning coffee routine like a dramatic movie preview for someone over 60 who is getting ready to build a new life with AI." It sounds silly, but that kind of play wakes up your creativity fast. For headlines, try, "Write 5 email subject lines in my voice that invite people to grab my free AI puppy prompt pack." Make them short, friendly, and a little curious. You might start with, "Help me turn one of my ideas into 3 possible formats: a blog, a real script, and an email, all in my own voice." That is one simple way to create together. And remember, you do not have to be a tech person to do this. You just need your curiosity, your stories, and a few clear prompts. Your AI puppy will meet you there. When you give AI permission to play, it helps you rediscover your creative side. Download your free AI puppy prompt pack and join me next time for Lesson 6, where we'll talk about your AI puppy as a teacher, guide, and lifelong learner.